Introduce highlight features or overview summary for BESTMIG 135A MIG Welder, 3-in-1 Flux Core Welder, MIG, Lift TIG, Stick Welding Machine. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include: powerful 3-in-1 welding machine. BESTMIG Flux 135 offers robust output with a true current of 135 amp, capable of welding materials up to 1/8 inch thick. Enjoy versatile functionality with MIG, lift TIG, and stick welding capabilities for various applications. Comprehensive accessory kit included. Unlike many competitors, our welder comes fully equipped with essential accessories: ground clamp, electrode holder, and welding gun. Additionally, we include a user-friendly auto-darkening welding helmet, convertible to goggles, and high-quality leather gloves for maximum safety and convenience. Designed for beginners, MIG Flux 135 is perfect for novice welders, featuring an all-in-one digital technology that automatically adjusts parameters based on your current settings. Easy setup allows you to start welding right away. Simply load the wire spool, connect the gun, plug in, and you're ready to go without complicated gas setups. Versatile applications across materials. Compatible with gasless flux cord MIG wire from 0.030 to 0.040 inch, the BESTMIG welder is suitable for stainless steel, carbon steel, and thicker metal projects. Ideal for both beginners and experienced users in home workshops, DIY projects, or factory settings. Reliability and versatility. BESTMIG welder features cutting-edge digital control technology with an intuitive interface for precise operation. Its full-color LED display allows real-time monitoring of welding parameters, while integrated wire feeding technology automatically adjusts voltage and feed speed, enhancing performance and reducing spatter for cleaner welds. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe. Recommend new products releases update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.